Animal free, MRE. What is this? It's the Defense Personal Items Men's Pack. What's in here? Ooh, watch and find out.
For men.
Let's
do this.
Didn't look at it. Kaboom. Male MRE.
Hey, can you get your face in the corner? See where the button is? The white button? Put your face right there. And do a goofy face. Go.
5. This time.
Our buddy Luke sent us this from Australia. South Australia. Good day, mate.
Good eye, Mike.
This is a male accessory
It's for me.
defense personal item pack. How'd you abbreviate that? DPIP. DPIP. Yeah, there's no way to abbreviate that, so I have to spell it all out. Yeah, they should have named it something different. Anyways, it's from First Fleet.
First Fleet.
Let's check it out. Lily popped the tape there.
With my nails. I got sharp nails. Told you.
It's got deodorant and a whole bunch of stuff.
See, there's a toothbrush in it. Like I was right. Toothbrush.
Let's set them out, starting right here by Dad. Say
Yeah.
this is the beginning.
Wait, I just need to. Oh, it's the soap. This was the shampoo I was talking about. It's not cologne,
Chrissy?
it's shampoo.
Shampoo, indeed it is.
That was the shampoo I was talking about. Oh, this. Oh, that's everywhere. This kind of got exploded.
Ooh.
I was right. That's what it was wet.
Ooh, yeah.
Conditioner got exploded.
Oh, this is another shampoo, actually.
Yeah.
Dual shampoo. Yeah, it doesn't look like too much.
Whoa.
Hey.
2 toothpaste.
Do me a favor and go get us a napkin really quick.
Okay. 2 toothpaste.
Colgate. Yeah, let's wipe this stuff off before it gets all slimy everywhere. Colgate 12. 12-hour protection.
Napkin. Made by Mom.
Got some shampoo on some of the items. So listen, the reason I wanted you to get the towel is like the deodorant. I can see some shampoo on that. We just want to wipe them off before we pull them out, so we just don't smear little bits of shampoo everywhere. It's kind of, it ends up being kind of like grease. It just kind of gets everywhere. And it breaks down really far. Oh, look at, I missed some right there.
This could be my new deodorant.
Oh my goodness.
Is this deodorant? It says
Yes, it is.
Faye.
So roll on.
Oh,
Let me check it.
deodorant. Roll on deodorant.
Antiperspirant deodorant, 24-hour. Oxygen, alcohol-free. No alcohol.
Look, a shaving pack.
This over right there.
It's a shaving pack, Daddy.
Oh, cool. Disposable razors.
Oh my gosh.
Shit.
And what goes better with that than more razors and a razor?
Man, you could shave on this for like a week. Week plus.
We have one of these in our kitchen, but it's pink. So here's a black one for your nails. Dad needs that.
Yeah. I do need that.
So what's something that goes with a toothbrush? Floss. Achoo. Can't really see it. There you go.
There you go.
There we go.
There you go. Learning. Learning.
I need this. It's cherry chapstick. My lips are so dry.
You need this.
I need
It's
this.
an emergency. We need this stuff.
Is it? What? Ah, that's a weird shape. This is a soap. It's a round soap.
Why is it round?
I don't know.
That's kind of cool. I wonder why it's round.
Oh wait, look, there's another one. This one's actually the right shape. Made in Australia. It says it right on
Now,
the side.
before you grab something else out, let's see. I wonder if one's hand soap and one's, that is really cool.
It's like one's body soap and one's hand soap.
And this on the back says country life.
It does?
Yeah.
Wait,
You gotta
I
slow
was-
down and look at these things when you pull them out. You're just flying through, but I understand.
Country
This one
life.
has a date, 8407. It must be a batch. Yeah, this smells like more fragrant.
That's like hand soap.
And that's
Or
body
armpit
soap. And that's body soap. Yeah, yeah.
It smells.
That's why it's maybe so you can roll it on.
Roll on.
Okay, so let's make sure we get all these in the picture here. We'll keep them back here. And we'll slowly move that bad boy over. Alright, so remember about the leakage It looks like it made it onto the towel in there. We'll show everyone when we pull that out.
Oh, there's this little brush for shaving.
So you can whip up a foam. Oh, maybe that's what the white bar is for. The white bar is a shaving foam.
Shaving brush, yeah, that's cool.
I'm gonna use it. Maybe.
Yeah, he needs it. And then he has his 2 shavers.
Clean out your ears,
I need the white.
surrounding areas, not in the ear canal. Bad news, do that. Pushes it in deeper.
White West ones.
What?
I guess it's wipes.
Wet wipes.
Yeah, it says moist
You're all-
toilets. Jumbo moist toilets. See?
It's for wiping your butt.
And fine details says moist toilet.
I have a really bad joke about the Vulcans and the Klingons, but I'll save it for another time.
Well, here, the last thing.
That's not the last thing. That's really cool. This is, I need to trim my long nails. This is perfect. And there's our towel, our body towel that totally saved us. Check it out. It absorbed the shampoo instead of it being a big puddle at the bottom, kind of slushing around with everything.
Oh, wow. I just
Saved
stuck
it.
my finger in more.
So now we just add water to this, and it'll be a foamy, soapy towel that we can use.
What's a hairbrush? To comb that beard.
Is that here? Check it out. Check it out.
Not, oh my gosh.
You know how guys have pics in their afro? Is anything I'm gonna start? I'm gonna
Pics.
start old
Pics in your
man, old
beard.
man with a comb stuck in his. Hey, what? There's a what in my what? I forgot a what in my what? What are you talking about, hippie? I don't have anything in my beard.
This is the most awesomest thing there's in it.
A
A pen.
Well, you gotta write down your notes and your thoughts, which is important. Which hopefully there's something to do that with. Yeah, and you thought that was the last thing in there. This thing is rad. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Dad, it's the most awesome part. A box.
You know the cool part of minus that.
Shampoo on it.
This box is really cool. It's similar to like that kind of thin insulated plastic material. It's like plastic cardboard. Ooh, it wants to zoom in on it really bad. Yeah, it's really cool.
I want to look at
Let me
this.
get a better view that way. Ah, plastic cardboard is really clever. Fairly crush resistant, waterproof.
We should
go in
off our balcony and see if it breaks.
I love this box. This box is like awesome. And I love the fact that it's for males only candy.
You can't use.
My wife totally isn't showing me how many fingers she has on her hand. Or what her IQ is, or how many she can count to. I count to one.
Count one.
Nice. See, you can start a fashion statement with
It's
that.
called Pony.
You're welcome to come over here and defend yourself at any point.
I can't get it out.
Oh my goodness. But this is really cool. So I got an awesome box. Got a notepad.
Drink my
Body soap, shaving soap, a pre-soaping towel, an awesome comb for my new beard statement that I'm gonna rock. A
Hey,
shaving
hey,
brush.
what
Lily,
about-
I want to check this out. Lily, pass this one quick.
Okay,
This is gonna be cool. Ooh, it's even got a guard.
that's all. I have to open
It's got like
this.
a real wood handle too. It looks like, or is it plastic?
You need deodorant.
No, I know.
Oh, it smells good. This is what it looks like. It just roll on.
It's awesome.
I didn't put on there today. There you go. Fine.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff to do here. We're gonna have to show each one in action.
This is like after you take a shower, you're just like, I forgot to use all my stuff. I need to wash my hair, shave,
It's a lot of.
wipe my booty.
Oh my goodness.
No, I need to take a bath.
There's a lot of body products to rock through, huh?
My name
There
is
you
Bonnie.
go. Those, man, jeez.
Oh wait, we almost forgot.
Huh. Oh yeah.
Dun, dun, dun. Wait.
I don't think he can fit now.
Yeah, you can. Just move all that.
Alright, let's make it happen.
Make this happen.
And
Not that one.
let's turn. This is gonna happen.
Oh my gosh. It's Jenga over here. Oh my gosh, Dad.
Danga.
Dang. Wait, put it in there. That's where I put the
Oh,
chopstick.
yeah. Good idea.
You need to think
And then
about
the
it.
notepad.
Oh.
Last thing.
Okay, then we gotta start.
There's nothing else sitting out here that I
Oh.
didn't see, right?
Dad,
What?
you forgot to turn it on.
No, I left that spot open. That was.
No, you forgot to turn on the on switch.
Why did you turn it off?
It was off.
Oh, dude, it's off. Oh my god. Alright. Listen, I'm gonna slowly lift it at the count of 3, and you're gonna turn it on. Don't dork around. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, go.
Where's the switch? Gosh. Gosh, oh gosh. Oh, yeah. Wow.
We gotta readjust. We gotta readjust. That was close. It's hard to stack this without looking at it, really.
Bottom. Oh my gosh.
Dude, I packed this here from Eureka, California to Boise, Idaho.
We need to move this.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, we got the clear path. Where's our box? It needs to go right here. It's our background. Alright, ready, folks?
It's covering me.
This is what it looked like when we moved to Boise, Idaho.
Yeah, this is Dad in the front. Wait, it starts to shake first, you know that, right?
Crap, no, I forgot! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey, let's get our stuff. Alright, there's the soap.
Wait, the chapstick.
Come.
That was
Alright.
flop and fail.
Alright.
Oh, Lord. Oh my gosh. Oh.
See, if we used the box, it would have been easier because it's like special delivery.
Alright, let's try it. Let's try it. Watch out, dogs. Get out of here. You're gonna get hit. Mickey, when you get. Oh, gosh.
We got the contents again.
Wait, there.
Look at that.
Let's go. Let's go for a
Amazing.
ride.
What a cool box, man. I don't need to open this for an emergency. I need to step
Wait.
now. Who's rad?
I have a magic trick.
Obviously.
I have a magic trick with this comb. Give me your hand, Dad. Only look at your hand. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, my God. I thought you were going to smack my hand.
No. Oh, man, it disappeared. Oh, gosh. It did disappear. It's under Lincoln. I'm a mag.
Lincoln and Mickey some foam for shaving.
Oh, wait, no. It's perfect.